draw a little body from Bluey cartoon, and we're gonna use some cool color markers and also one piece of paper and one black marker. So let's get started and draw this beautiful little dog. So first we're gonna draw his nosy nose, and it will go something like that. Then we're gonna draw his face and mouth, and it's gonna go something like this. And we can also add a little tongue sticking out of his mouth, just like that. Cool. Then we can add a little oval here and color around, just like that. So we have a shiny little nose. Now we can draw his little eyes, and they're gonna go all the way up. So we're gonna make like oval shapes, just like that. And let's add one more. And let's add one more. No, I'm joking. We'll not have 3 eyes, just 2. And let's add some pupils. Cool. Hey friends, do you like dogs or cats more? I prefer cats. I don't know why. Maybe because they are a little bit smaller. So they are really cute and easy to pet. But I love dogs as well. Okay, now we're gonna draw the top of his head. We'll do something like this. And then we can also add a little line at the bottom, so we can draw his body as well. So it's gonna go all the way around like this. Then it's gonna go a little bit oval, and here as well. And yeah, we need to add a little hands just somewhere here. Let's add 1, 2, and 3 little fingers. And how many do we have? Oh, we have 5. Okay, now we're gonna draw his cute little ears, like that. And let's add one more. Cute. And now we're gonna go up, up, up. And there we go. We have completed his body, just to add one more line here. Cool. And he has a lovely curvy tail, just like this. Cute. Okay, and all that is left to do is to add his legs. So let's draw 1. Add some. Actually, we can draw the bottom part first, and after that just add few lines, and there we go. And we can do the same thing on this side. One big line, one curvy line, one small curvy line, and another long big line. There we go. And we can also add just the part of this hand because it will not be visible actually. And there we go, guys. Now we can color. So let's use this kind of green and gray color. It's a combination of those two. I'm gonna use my thin side. As you can see, it's almost like black. So it's really dark. Cool. Okay. And then we need to color this part of his face, and I'm using some dark gray, but if you have some lighter one you can use it as well, because actually his this part of the body is a bit lighter. There we go. I'm gonna leave a little bit of space at the top of his mouth. And then we're gonna use red to color his cute little tongue. There we go. And now I'm gonna use this, it's like yellow, but you can use cream, something similar, because his body is something in between yellow and cream color. So if you have that one, that would be perfect. I'm gonna use this yellow. Okay, now the bottom body. Cool, and legs as well. There we go. He is looking perfect. A little bit more yellowish than it should be, but it's cute. It's really cute. Okay, now let's give him a little heart because we love our little buddy. And check mark because it's completed. Well done, guys. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me, and see you next time. Bye bye. If you like this video, please share and subscribe, and let's keep creating these super cool drawings.